Hi, welcome to another episode of the Property in a Box video tutorial. In today's video, I'll just quickly show you how to submit a property inquiry. Let's log into Fusion CRM. Go to propertyinabox.com.au website. Log into Fusion by hitting on Member Login. Enter your Fusion login credentials and sign in. There are two ways to submit your property inquiry. From Fusion CRM, you can download the property inquiry form. The other one is if you go to your real estate and wealth creation themed website, you can use the property concierge service that is an online submission for an inquiry. Let's go to resources. Under Forms, you'll find the Property Inquiry form. Just simply hit on this download icon. And here you have the option to download it or print it. Simply complete all the sections of this form and email it to leads@propertyinabox.com.au. Now let me show you how to submit an online inquiry. On the left menu selection, you'll find the links to your real estate themed and wealth creation themed websites. Let's open your real estate website. Scroll down and you'll find Property Concierge Service. On the right side of this page, you'll find the application form. Complete this form and hit on Submit once you're done. And we will get back to you within 24 to 48 hours with a few property selections for your client. Okay? Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Property in a Box. And once again, our contact details are on your screen.